Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and in today's video I'm going to make 3 simple and healthy overnight chia pudding recipes, and I will start with the almond and saffron chia pudding. And for that, first I'm going to crush 8 to 10 almonds in a mortar and pestle. You can also grind them in a grinder, just make sure that the almonds are just crumbled. Next, in a saucepan I will take 1 cup of whole milk. You can also take reduced or skim milk. To the milk I will add half a tablespoon of sugar for sweetness, then the crushed almonds, and finally a few strands of saffron for that nice color and aroma. While the almonds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, the saffrons are the powerhouse of antioxidants. Just let the milk to boil nicely. Once done, let the almond milk to cool down a little before pouring it into 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Give it a nice stir, and now let it to rest for 2 hours, and then you can refrigerate it overnight. Moving to the next recipe, I will make the fruits and nuts chia pudding, and for that take 1 cup of whole milk or any of the milk that you prefer, and to the milk I will add half a tablespoon of sugar. As a substitute you can add the stevia or the crystal sugar. Now microwave the milk for 2 minutes or simply boil the milk and let it to cool down. Next, in a cup take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and add the warm milk straight into it. Fill the cup till half, as we are going to add the fruits and nuts. Now add some finely chopped apple, some chopped almonds, little bit of walnut. Just add all your favorite fruits and nuts into this. 2-3 cashews chopped. Top it with some grated or desiccated coconut, and let it to rest for a couple of hours before putting it into the refrigerator. Finally, I will make the mango chia pudding, and for that here I have taken the canned mango pulp, but if you get the fresh mango, then nothing better than that. Just take out the fresh pulp from the mango and use it in this recipe to get that nice authentic taste. So next, in a cup I will take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and to this I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango pulp. If you want more, then add some more pulp, but don't pour it till the cup is full. Give it a quick and gentle mix, and then pour 1/4 cup of warm milk straight into it. If the mango is not sweet, then add a little bit of sugar. Stir and let it to rest before keeping it inside the refrigerator. Overnight, the chia will absorb all the milk and flavors, making it gel-like thick. So make sure that the chia has enough liquid and room to form the pudding. So thank you so much for watching All Light Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.